How to market your Etsy shop. So first things first, you need to create or build a store here on your Etsy. And of course, you need to create a unique name for your Etsy shop. So marketing is essential on Etsy because millions of sellers compete for attention. Number one, you need to optimize your Etsy shop for search. Etsy is a search engine, so ranking higher means more views. You need to do this, use keywords in your title tags, description, and your store. So here I'm creating a unique name for my Etsy shop. You will see below if this one is available or not. Number two, you need to improve your product photos. So photos sell your product before words do. Use bright and clear images, add lifestyle photos, add a size. And I also strongly suggest to simply use Canva. For example, if you want to sell or, Canva offers Etsy product image templates. So basically you can go create an account on Canva. This one is for free and then you can upload your photos there is this template and all you have to do is to search for that specific template, for example products, upload your images here on Canva and then drag your products or images to that specific template. So for example this one right here, template and then products. Now, next thing, once you have your template or your products right here, then you can just basically upload. And it's about time to use social media to drive traffic. So for niche, for jewelry, crafts, home decor, digital planner, printables, or gifts, you can use Instagram, you can use TikTok for sharing content. So you can share behind the scenes, packaging orders, customer reviews, time lapse, or production creation. And basically, these are the methods and how to simply market your Etsy shop. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorial.